Alright, we're picking her up from her first day of school, so you're not going to miss a thing. I'm almost sacked out. But here we go. He's half day. Oh. Hi.
I'm trying to sleep.
Oh yeah?
She now thinks
My
that she's
God, I can tell you.
Oh, she thinks she's going to summer camp.
Oh.
Is she part-time every day?
Yes. It's okay. Whatever she wants to do, we're cool with it. Oh, good. She was good.
I mean, she's really good and cute.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Her shirt, she has spaghetti today.
Yeah, that's okay. We do that a lot. We do that a whole lot.
So her cute little white shirt.
Hi, Elizabeth.
Oh, I am monkey.
Did you have fun? Here, let's go. We're gonna wake everybody up who's trying to go to sleep.
I am monkey.
What do you want me to? Should I pick this up and put it away?
I'll take care of it.
Thank you. Grab Boppy. We'll get Boppy. We're gonna go home.
Elizabeth, I hope you have a good rest of your day today.
Oh, you're gonna go back to bed?
I'm sorry.
Oh no, it's fine. Let's go bye-bye. Come on. Come on, let's go. Get up. Upsy daisy.
I like it.
We're gonna leave it here. We'll come back tomorrow. No, not right now. We'll go sleep at home. Come on, honey. We have to get up and walk. That would be really good. If we could just get her out of this room, that would be fine.
It's okay.
Thank you. Sorry, Elizabeth, baby. We're gonna go home and take a nap. It'll be okay.
Take your stuffy home with you, though.
Don't worry. Sorry, guys.
You just played so hard.
It's all right.
We explored
Hey.
outside. We found rocks and stuff outside.
Hey, we're gonna go home and go night-night. Don't worry. Okay?
We're gonna go home. You're gonna go home and sleep in your bed?
It's all right. I'm sorry, honey. I know you wanted to sleep.
Oh. Do you want me to help you carry out your
I can carry her. It's fine.
Okay. You wanna go to
You want to walk? Or you want me to carry you?
She's like, come on.
Do you want to walk?
Okay.
Okay, let's walk.
Aw.
Good girl.
Bye,
Thank you.
guys.
See you tomorrow.
Have a good night.
Good girl. Hey.
Oh, we have fly.
Did you have fun today?
Oh, we have fly.
Elizabeth, did you have fun today?
No, we bought.
Did you have fun today?
No, we bought.
Listen to Daddy. Did you have fun today?
Oh,
I know. Listen. Say hi, Mommy.
Oh,
Elizabeth.
fly.
Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Did you have fun today? Say yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go home. Okay. As you can see, she had a great day. She doesn't want to leave, so we'll Skype.
I have fly.